Hello everyone! Today I will be talking about one of HP's newest printers, the HP LaserJet MFP M234dw. To me, a printer is a necessity. Whether working from home or an office, a LaserJet printer is a must. This printer is designed perfectly for individuals or small businesses that need a speedy and affordable printer. The LaserJet printer is known for good text quality, which this printer has. Plus, it prints at fast speeds up to 30 pages per minute. It comes with dual printing, scanning, and of course, the handy HP Smart app. It is perfect to buy if you are looking for good quality and fast printing at a low price. This LaserJet printer comes in two versions. One with the HP Plus label priced at $218 and one without HP Plus priced at $268. The biggest difference is that with the cheaper version, you are limited to only HP toners rather than any other generic toners. You will also have 2-year warranty, which is nice. However, if you don't mind paying a little bit more, you can always get the option without HP Plus, which allows you to use other generic toners, plus you will also be getting 1-year warranty. You can find both of these printers at bluedoginc.com for a discounted price. Now, once you get this thing open, what you will find inside is the HP LaserJet printer, the setup poster card and reference guide, a power cord, and lastly, one HP LaserJet introduction toner cartridge. This printer includes a 150-page tray up here on the top and a 100-page tray here on the bottom. You'll also find these buttons on the front, which you have power button, resume, information button, copy, and contrast. Use these little plus minus toggles to increase or decrease the contrast or number of copies. The printer includes a scanner bed here at the top. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the best scanning quality, but it gets the job done for the price. It also includes fast double-sided printing. However, if you are planning on taking advantage of that Duplex Printing with the HP Plus subscription, note that you won't be saving any more since you will still be charged for each side. If your paper gets jammed, you have this back door that you could use to resolve the paper jam. And this is a fast Ethernet port if you need. Since this is a LaserJet printer, you can only feed it toner, which you have the option between the HP 134A black toner cartridge, which prints 1,100 pages and costs $49.99, or the 134X black toner cartridge, which prints 2,400 pages and priced at $79.99. You can find either of these toners online at bluedoginc.com for a discounted price. It is super easy to remove the cartridge from the printer. It easily slides out. You can easily set up this printer using the HP Smart app. For your convenience, everything for this printer is done in the HP Smart app on your smartphone. Even the setup process for this printer is done in the app. The app allows you to scan and copy photos or documents, has mobile faxing, and many other cool features that you can check out in the app. Although you are able to send fax, note that you cannot receive fax. Overall, this is a great laser printer from HP. It is perfect to buy if you are looking for good quality and fast printing at a low price. If you think this printer would be a great fit for you, check out bluedoginc.com, where you can find the highest quality printers discounted at the lowest prices.